So, ever felt like your bedroom's a galaxy of chaos with constellations of clutter? Well, you're in for a cosmic solution. Today, we'll unveil 18 of SimHome's space-smart dividers to transform a cramped capsule, which is your bedroom, into an organized cubicle. Wave goodbye to black holes of disarray and rocket towards stellar tidiness. Ready to embark on this interstellar organization journey? Let's launch into it. 18. Deer Wall DIY. Create shelves, TV stand, desk, and hanger in one. Level up your struggling quarter into dual-room sanctuary with Deer Wall. Utilize just 5 pillars to create extensive wall storage. Revive and feature an elegant white steel rack and introduce a modern hanger rack, ensuring it's 25 centimeters from the wall for an added touch of sophistication. Establish a 2 meter by 40 centimeter laminated wood desk supported by chic L-shaped brackets. Enhance functionality with adjustable shelves, easily positioned using trendy Gasha shelf pillars. 17. A vertical divider and a space-saving bed lift idea. Elevate your small 14 square meter space with combined Elliott's integrated living solution with Anna White's bed elevator for a room that transforms in seconds. During the day, enjoy a spacious area with your bed lifted 7 feet up. Supported by a robust 250-pound lift and secure locking pins, maximize functionality by adding a convertible sectional below, ensuring every inch of your space works hard for you. 16. A sliding wall to conceal your festive treasures year-round. Start with a 12-foot wall, 9 feet of it slides. Craft 2 frames, one movable, one static. Nail tongue-and-groove boards onto both. For the fun twist, carefully saw your solid wall so it slides open, revealing a secret room, or bedroom, and use wedges for a seamless look. Materials? Think pine boards, nifty wheels, and sturdy trolley tracks. Happy hiding! 15. A Swivel TV and a stylish divider. Ensure your cabinet depth is over half of your swivel panel's width. Craftily measure and snip your panel, leaving just a sassy 1/8-inch wink of a gap. Deck it out with rear supports, let that TV take center stage, and spin it with flair. Don't forget the bottom slot for those pesky wires. Secure with snappy magnets, glam up with handles, and optionally strut some cabinetry below. TV? What TV? Fancy more books instead of a TV to glow up your bedroom? Hang tight and stick around to catch an ingenious hack turning 3 IKEA Billy shelves into a private bedroom library for books you've been stashing under the bed. 14. Spark up your bedroom with a Carway divider idea. It doubles as a stylish bed head and simultaneously room divider. From petite XS nooks to expansive XL rooms, this compartment wall flexes to fit. Alternate between slim and chunky planks for a lively twist and accessorize with chic prints and mini shelves, or simply a desk against it for instant workspace. 13. IKEA Hack Multifunctional Partition Wall. Start with a sketch, then snap up IKEA's Stolman posts, Sultan-laid planks, and some brackets, all for a cheeky $182. Assemble your posts by IKEA's playbook and smoothly saw those planks. Here's a pro tip. Keep horizontal planks centered on their vertical buddies. Sneakily secure them without showing a single screw. Construct your frame, align those brackets, pop your panel on, and slide your wardrobe back. 12. IKEA Partition Hack with double worktops and headboard. Ditch those old bunks and slide in Ivar bases for a bed-by-night, couch-by-day magic trick using birch and Nordic pine. Elevate the cool with a unique Carway desk and use 3 worktops, 2 1.86 meter, 1 2.40 meters. Bonus, extend it past the curtains for extra chicness and divide the room stylishly with an IKEA-inspired divider reinforced with 16mm threaded rods. Not convinced yet? Here's the kicker. Those Carway headboards? Pure genius. 11. A frugal and modern Scandi-Chic room divider idea. For the first one, take 2 120 by 40 centimeter beech wood panels painted with a 50 centimeter high mountain design, hinged and elevated with glued copper tube feet. For the latter, you'll hack IKEA's Sektion cabinets to create a stylish, budget-friendly closet divider combo, 24 inches deep, combining 30-inch and 24-inch widths, all for $160. The project will give you a lac shelf, walnut shelves, and white trims as a final touch of sophistication. To dive more into the details, access the video's description. 10. A handy DIY room divider and light reflector. Grab a 4-foot by 8-foot insulated panel and your fabric choice. Opt for fleece to soundproof. Spread white glue evenly on the panel, lay out the fabric, and smooth wrinkles. Trim any excess and secure with gaff tape. For sturdy feet, carve 1-inch channels into ABS piping and paint them matte black. Slide your panel onto the feet, ensuring a snug fit. For a bonus, keep one side shiny silver for a perfect light reflector. 9. A DIY chic mid-century room divider. Envision a 5-column frame, 5 inches, 7 inches, 9 inches, 7 inches, 5 inches, and use 8 3/4-inch by 1.5-inch wood boards. Sketch, then saw and assemble from the center. Add flair with tiny spacers, furniture glides, and black walnut paint. Incorporate metal sheets with a circle pattern for a retro touch. Essential tools: saw, drill, wood filler, paint. Extras: metal cutter, stapler. The cost to acquire quality pine boards is estimated at $30 to $70 with total supplies of $200. 8. 2 Towers DIY Room Divider Closet Idea. Start by crafting 2 plywood towers. Link them together using sturdy 2x4s at the back. Ensure your wall paneling boasts a width of 48 inches for a flawless fit. Dazzle with 48-inch wide wall paneling attached to the tower's rear. Finish by adding trim on top and bottom, then hang a swanky 61-inch closet rod inside. As for the joinery, mix it up with 1 1/4-inch pocket hole screws and 2.5-inch self-tapping wood screws. 7. A DIY wall storage with pillar bracket. To begin, collect a sturdy pillar bracket or slim Labrico 2x4 adjuster for a 3.3 meter wide, 2.3 meter tall wall storage. Pair with Royal Channel pillars and Muji-esque laminated wood shelves. Beyond accurate measurement, taking self-adhesive wallpaper, perforated board, and shelf pillars will double your output quality. 6. A fabulous IKEA Ivar cupboard hack. Start with precisely measured wooden panels, OB instructed, and 14 battens. Smooth the wood before creatively finishing. Assemble, ensuring an 18mm recess on one plate. Insert the Ivar cupboard, secure it to the ceiling with 60mm screws, and finish by spacing wooden slats 52mm apart. 5. A DIY luxe bedroom partition with storage. Reorganize your cluttered bedroom into a luxe suite using a DIY divider boasting dimensions of 223.6 by 26.8 by 156.7 centimeters. Start with precision-cut wood according to the provided plan. Continue with detailed sawing, then gracefully plane and paint. With 18mm and 12mm plywood, round wood accents, and trusty screws, you'll bring your vision to life. Prioritize primer, lavish lacquer paint, and a touch of putty for impeccable finesse. Once assembled, anchor your new craft discreetly to the floor. 4. How to hack IKEA Kallax to a new divider with storage? Start by sketching your dream design. Then create a sturdy base from a hot-rolled steel tube, ensuring all eyes will be on your new piece. Give it a glossy white finish or powder coating to match the sleek Kallax unit. Assemble the first section, adding a middle support for artistic flair, and your sleeping space is now graced with a bold statement piece, perfect for both vintage and modern settings. 3. 3 IKEA Billy hack to bookshelves and dividers. Identify a brightly lit corner of your space. This spot will be your private section, while the rest of the space remains your socializing area. Put together the Billy bookshelves following IKEA's instructions. Arrange them to create a room divider, ensuring both privacy for yourself and an attractive view for your guests. Use the metal braces to securely connect the bookshelves, creating a stable divider that won't wobble or tip. 2. Iqbal's WFH-friendly, Parisian-inspired partition idea. Here, you'll optimize an 8-foot studio with 2 sleek, multi-plane partitions using 1x2-inch pine and acrylic sheets. You'll allocate a foot's gap below for airflow, then drape your partition with IKEA's linen curtains. Finish with Harvest Moon painted MDF and secure acrylic using 1/2-inch dowel rods. Lastly, number 1. A multifunctional bed back wall doubles as a stylish room divider. Here, we will craft a chic storage solution using finish underlayment with a walk-in closet behind. You'll need various panels, including two 120 by 180 centimeters for the main structure, small panels for shelves and details, and a selection of screws and hardware for assembly. Ensure precision in cutting doors and panels, and prepare for a seamless finish with thorough sanding and priming. Assembly involves attaching panels, securing slats for door stability, and adding shelves. Round off your creation with a rod for hanging clothes, a splash of color, and the installation of doors and handles. Achieve functionality and style in one striking piece, enhancing your sleeping space. That's it. If you like this countdown, subscribe for more, and we'll see you again later.